How to make keto maple pecan cottage cheese bowl. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 1/3 cup cottage cheese, 1 tablespoon low-carb maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 30 gram pecans, chopped, 1 teaspoon lemon zest. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Mix the maple syrup, cinnamon, pecans, and lemon zest in the bowl with the cottage cheese. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of maple pecan cottage cheese bowl. Each serving comes out to be 280 calories, 24.7 grams fat, 7.4 grams net carbs, and 10.8 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.